Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold8. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Subcase Unicorn Beetle grip case for the Z Fold8. I need to give a shout out to Subcase for sending this case out to me for a review. I'll have links in the description if you want to pick it up. They was nice enough to give me a 10% off code, which will be included in the description of this video. It is for just the black case, so if you want to pick it up, you can save 10%. Like we normally do in my reviews to make sure everything lines up. Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? Does it add bulk for the overall phone? Does it add some weight to it? Can you wireless charge? How strong is the magnet on there? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. But let's get into it. Nice presentation from them. Bam. Look, follow them on their social media websites. Also it says precise cutout, perfect grip, drop protection. The normal things you get from Subcase. I mean, this is like a heavy duty protection case. They have other stuff in there too. Some instruction manuals. It looks like they did give you a built-in screen protector probably. I wish that they would give you one without it, but they do have it in there. It says high def clear tempered glass. Bam. And then this is just the back piece of it. I like how it can show off the beauty. And then that kickstand slash thing. Oh, that's 32. I like the grip on the hinge. But let's get this bad boy in here. Does have one piece of adhesive strip there. Let's remove this plastic too. And what you want to do is put this bad boy. First thing you always want to do too, if it has a built-in screen protector, wipe off your display. Now I do have a screen protector on my phone, so it's going to be double the protection. And then you just hear the snaps with these cases. Just make sure you press it on there good. The first thing I noticed, does add some bulk to your phone, but you have that drop protection you look for. And then also that fingerprint scanner is open, but it's easy to get to. The vine rockers are nice and tactile. I love the grip on here too. That's why it's called a Unicorn Beetle grip. Everything lines up at the bottom there. And then at the top, it also lines up. That hinge protection is there. Protects it. A little UB Grip logo there. That's pretty cool. And then the one thing that people are always going to say, yes, it does block some of your display there. And it's not playing friendly with my screen protector, but that's, I mean, it's suspected. So if you're going to use this case, I wouldn't have a screen protector on it. But look at it. It looks beautiful. But yeah, it does cover up some of your screen. Gives you something to hold. Yes, it still wobbles. That's not going to change with a... I like how it look. It's like a slow close hinge. Bam. And then like the drop protection you get with this bad boy. Yeah, you don't have to, oh, bumpy cam. You don't have to worry about it dropping and breaking your phone. So, again, does it add weight and bulk? Yes, it does add some weight and some bulk to your phone. There's no getting around it. That's what these cases do. But look, love the beautiful. Now, does it have camera protection? Yes, it does. And then, even if you could try to take off the screen protector, you do have lip protection all the way around it too. And the grip is just sick. So the kickstand Doesn't rotate, but you can watch videos like that. You can watch videos like this. I doubt, yeah, you can even put it like this if you wanted to. So you have multiple angles you can use this kickstand. And then you can actually use it as a holder too, if you wanted to. Not bad. Bam. Can you wireless charge? Again, I don't think you're going to have a problem with wireless charging, but let's find out. I got to find my little cheap wireless charging pad. Y'all can laugh at it all y'all want. Does its job. I don't really wireless charge my phone, so. Can you wireless charge? Yes, as you can tell up there. And then, oh yeah. So the magnet is really strong. The only problem, again, with these type of cases, with this type of kickstand, would be that you have some play in it, like this. But the magnet is strong. I mean, yeah. That magnet is strong. The only thing is you will have some play when you're trying to hold it on there. So, but again, if you're driving on a bumpy road that your phone is bouncing like that, something is wrong. Tell them to fix your roads. But overall, this checks a lot of boxes for you. You have protection, check. You have a built-in screen protector, check if you like those. You also, the buttons are nice and tactile, easy to get to the power button. Volume rockers, I mean, the volume rockers are easy to press. Everything lines up at the bottom. Everything lines up at the top. You have hinge protection that a lot of people look for. The magnet is strong. The kickstand works in many different angles. The only thing I would say is that it is a hefty case. It will protect your phone, but it does add some bulk. And this is not a big phone, so it's not horrible like some other cases and some other phones can be. And then you can see, even if you have it open, you have drop protection on the corner. So if you're dropping it, yes. But if you lay it down, yeah, there's no lip protection there for in the display. But you do have drop protection on the corners when you lay the phone down, if you dropped it while you had it open. So, yeah, this case checks off a lot of boxes. Again, if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold8. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.